Welcome back to Triple X Learning. Today we have this question on your screen. Log x base 4 plus log x base 2 is equal to 6. We need to find the value for x over here. So this one can be proceed in this way. ln x ln 4 plus ln x ln 2, that is equal to 6 over here. So this 4 can be written as ln 2 to the power 2 plus ln x ln 2, and that is equal to 6. I can use one formula over here, and that one is here. Suppose ln a to the power, suppose m, so m will come over here m ln a. So m will stand just before ln a. In this way I'm going to use this formula over here, this one ln x 2 ln 2 ln x ln 2 is equal to 6 over here. Now what I'm going to do over here, this one I'm just going to take LCM. So it is coming 2 ln 2 ln x plus 2 ln x, and it is equal to 6. Now I can do cross multiply. So here ln x plus 2 ln x, that one is going to add, and we can write ln x 3 ln x is equal to 6 and 2, both are going to multiply, and we have 12 ln 2. So this one here we are getting 12 and here we are getting 3. So either we can cancel, so better to cancel ln x, and it is going to cancel. So here we have 4, so 4 ln 2, and this one is ln x, and this 4 will jump over the head of 2 in this way. So both side we have ln, so we can remove ln, and we have x is equal to 2 to the power 4, and this is our solution. X is equal to 16. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, that is equal to 16. So x equal to 16 is our solution for this question. Thank you so much for watching my videos. For latest upcoming, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.